All right, so we think we just saw the remnants of the GoPro, so we're walking on the side of the road right now. We have our
actual rescue mission.
We're on a rescue mission for you guys. We wanted you to see that footage. Oh, man. You know, oh, no. What is up, fam? Host message finds you all Wonder Spirits. As you know, we are here at VMP with my guy Chuck. And that's right, Chuck's gonna be sitting with me because we're gonna be sitting in what? The brand new VMP Odin kit. What does that mean, bro?
It means the Odin is finally here. It's a 2018 up Mustang kit we've been talking about for so long. We finally have it. We've got it on the shop car. We've been dynoing it, testing it, getting everything sorted out, man. We're excited to let you drive it, and more importantly, we're excited to get it on this car right here. So
she's gonna be on the Black Mamba soon, but first let's get an appetizer for the main course. We're gonna give you the first premier world non-VMP like drive review ever.
It's in even the non-VMP, man. You're the first one to ever drive.
Oh wow!
Car,
okay,
so.
Listen, this is an honor to wheel for the first time on the street their brand new Odin kit. Let's go.
That sun is bright as hell.
Yeah, it was good. It's good lighting. So when I get into this is exciting for me because Odin's coming to Mamba. Odin is what, the god of air?
God of air.
Odin represents those who are willing to work and sacrifice to obtain that which they desire, and welcomed only the most worthy of warriors into his hall of Valhalla.
The mods on this particular car besides the blower.
It's got oil pump gears, long tubes. It's on 93 octane. That's
okay,
it.
pump gas.
Pump gas.
And what kind of size injectors are on this?
1000 cc.
Oh, 1000 cc. Okay.
Yeah, that'll be standard in the kit. 1000 cc, VMP cold air intake, triple pass dual fan heat exchanger. But that's it, man. This is the base kit, Odin supercharger kit, and long tubes.
All right, let's start her up. Roars of life. Stock trans. Stock motor.
So 2 quick things on this tune.
Sure.
Leave it in drive, no sport mode, no paddle shifters.
Oh, great.
Traction controls on. That's up to you if you want to turn it off. But
we'll leave it on.
We left it defaulted on.
We'll leave it on. All right, motor's already warm, so just getting a feel. Oh, instant torque. You know, this is good. This is gonna be good. I was barely like quarter throttle, and the response is it's smooth. It's very smooth.
That's the benefit of the 265, man.
Yeah, it's got a good old dig in.
Finally hear some blower noise.
Yeah. Thank goodness for traction control. Traction control was saving my life there.
Traction control is off.
We're going to do a roll here. I'm not going to touch paddles. Just going to do it simple. Just kind of lift the throttle and then go down and see what she does.
Yep.
Oh, gosh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, man, it's clipping on traction control every time it shifts.
Yeah, it's breaking the tires loose. That's how much torque is coming back there. Oh my, like you said, this car doesn't have a fuel system yet. We're on pump 93.
Yeah, pump 93, stock fuel system, stock DI pump. It's got a set of injectors and a booster pump.
Wow. And what's great about this is that we're driving and it's very docile, like we're driving a regular car.
Yeah.
You forget you're driving a supercharged car until you do this. Hey guys, this is just a quick drive. I'm super excited. I'm emotional. I thank so much to Chuck and VMP for the opportunity. I'm honored and humbled, and I can't wait to bring you all the content, because guess what else is happening? When we come back, when the Mamba's done, we're going to the drag strip, we're going to dyno, and we're going to go take some names on YouTube. That's right. Because we're going to look up all of our friends, you know who you are. Because we're going to put some sauce on you guys. If you see this in time, they're having crazy sales right now on the website. You want to talk about that at all?
Yeah, man, just give us a follow on our Facebook page, YouTube channel, VMPperformance.com. We got Black Friday coming up starting Monday, which it depends on when you see this video. It may already be over, but give us a shout. Crazy deals, and the Odin will actually be on sale starting Monday. First 25 are going to be launch edition. You'll get a special underhood plaque, special t-shirt.
Yeah, I'm wearing this t-shirt. You get a special t-shirt. I'll put it up so you can see the graphics, so you can get be part of the game, part of the team. All right, just some bonus footage. I've done a lot of drag racing and a lot of driving, a lot of supercharged Mustangs. I've never lost a GoPro. It looks like Odin's blew it off.
Odin took its first.
Odin blew it off. We're gonna drive back. I think she's gone. The most important thing is trying to rescue that memory card.
Yeah, we need that footage.
So, no, we'll get it back. If we don't, it's still pretty cool that this was the first victim.
Too much torque.
Oh. Yeah, I heard that we went over something.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I was like,
in the video, we both like kind of.
We both look back. That was the GoPro. Oh, this is so smooth. I have no idea. I mean, if we see it in the middle of the road, I'll stop, but
yeah,
she's probably gone.
Exactly where it was. There's a ways back here.
She's stuck on for a while. It wasn't like she was loosely on there. Like I'm pretty sure I or my friend Tragic Hero put it on there, and she was on there. I think it was like that second pull.
Yeah.
That roll.
Not the dig, but the roll.
The roll. The dig was she hung on, but that inertia was like I'm out. I am out. And that, mind you, I had that same GoPro on Demonologist Back's Demon.
Oh man.
So
we're not pointing any fingers.
we're not saying nothing, but that's not a good measurement of power.
Suction cup has no.
Yeah, Odin was like, nah, you ain't got nothing for me. Oh, this is crazy.
That was not a VMP branded suction cup. Man.
No.
They had no bias.
GoPro. I gotta send a return to sender to GoPro. But it was funny because we went over that. We went for like, that's an odd place to have a debris and like. Oh, that was crazy.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna find it. The GoPro was kind of on that side. It hit that side of the wheels.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, maybe we got lucky and the tire didn't kick it too far.
I'm curious now. I'm like driving / looking at the road like,
I mean, if we find it, then it's really cool footage.
It's really cool footage.
Survive.
Oh, it is crazy cool footage. It will show it blowing off. I'm still floored just by driving this, even just regularly, how relaxed the car is.
Yeah, it's
the way it's not upset.
That's the problem with like turbo cars and Century cars and stuff like that. You know, they drive like a turbo or Century car all the time.
Yeah.
Motor cars drive like an NA car until you put your foot into it.
Exactly.
If you're looking for like stoplight to stoplight performance driving, there's no better replacement.
Exactly.
For positive displacement.
All right, so we think we just saw the remnants of the GoPro. So we're walking on the side of the road right now. We have our
Actual rescue mission.
We're on a rescue mission for you guys. We wanted you to see that footage. Oh man. You know, oh no. we just realized people are crossing other people and they might blow away our GoPro. Oh.
The fact that it's still in the road gives me hope.
It gives me hope too. Stuff. It's a pretty busy road right now, so it's gonna be a challenge.
The fact that we see more than one piece works.
Yeah. They said that thing is indestructible.
It came off at exactly 65.
I know.
It was only 65.
Wow, look at you. Odin. All right, we found her. We got it. I think we say, well, this is it. It's there. We found the GoPro. But I think it's in there. Yeah. Dude, I'm just happy. I think we got the memory card. I think it's in there.
I don't have a whole lot of hope that the GoPro's gonna work anymore.
No, I think the GoPro's gone. That lens lasted.
Yeah, it did.
So.
Man.
Oh well. I'll put it. We'll see what VMP's got in their video room.
You're talking about it being the
one-stop shop. So
technology repair, tuners, whatever.
Yeah. Oh gosh. I can't believe you found it.
I can't believe you saw it. You saw it right away. You're like, that's it.
I was like, there's my baby. I'll keep her. Oh, we get another kit. Odin Edition video package.
We've got like a wall where we keep like all the blown up motor parts we got. This has got to go right up.
This has got to, yeah, my pleasure. All right, now that we found the GoPro, I just want to say, like, as I've driven the car and things have kind of settled down, my biggest takeaway is the drivability of this kit, because it reminds me very much of the GT500, how smooth it is and how relaxed the motor, like, sometimes you can feel when a motor feels stressed, you know, even when you're just coasting, you're like, this doesn't feel right. This feels like it's exhausted.
Or it feels like an all-out race car.
It feels like a race car. It feels tired. It feels like everything's being stressed. The word I get a feeling out of this is smooth. This is smooth, and also, like, when you want it to be a crazy tornado, it can be. You know, by virtue of, you know, this evidence right here.
Dead GoPro.
So if you would like and subscribe, this really helps get me another one of these. So, you know, that's part of the collateral damage of driving cars like this, especially the new kit for VMP. But yeah, I'm really excited because you know what that means? I can actually, I'm a street strip guy, so I can drive this car to and from work, home, track. I can still have my car seat back here, and then when it's time to hang out with the fellas and go to a drag strip or some roll racing events, or now I can actually hit up half-mile events.
Yep.
All right, we found the GoPro. So if you saw the clips, we can save the footage. Save the memory card.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to be careful.
We didn't show you what it did. I think Mary just went like this.
That's exactly what we did. We both took turns stopping it. It was like, I was like, oh well.
That's something. You're gonna send it in for warranty?
Yeah, right. No, that's what you made a good point.
It's supposed to be indestructible. Right?
I'm gonna send it in for warranty. So much for that.
It is indestructible.
I'm still in
Look.
GoPro.